Bonjour, everybody. We want to welcome our last speaker, our last candidate, Coach Golo. Yay! Everybody give him a hand of applause. Bonjour, everybody. Bonjour, good morning, my people. How's everybody today? But anyways, that's bonjour to my relatives, elders, my fellow community members in Ontario and in Canada. How's everybody today? You know, I'm honored to stand before you today, speaking not just as a candidate, but as a grandfather, as a survivor, and someone who's felt the weight of the nation's history. You know, I remember long time ago, my grandmother, who was taken from her family as a child, she grew up in a residential school where her language was taken, her culture was stripped, and her spirit was broken. But she survived. She held on. She told me stories of the horrors she faced, of the prayers she held on to, of the resilience that kept her going. You know, we've faced challenges before and we've overcome them. But today we stand at a crossroads. Our people are strong, our voices are powerful, and it's time we use them to shape the future we want. Right? You know, as your Grand Chief, I'll fight for self-determination and recognition of our rights, protection of our lands, waters, and traditions, better health care, education, and economic opportunities, unity, and support for our youth and our elders. Oh yeah, and free Bannock at our treaty days. So we'll make our communities great again. We'll make sure our languages grow, our culture flourishes, and our people thrive. Eh? But yes, let us honor the survivors, the ancestors, and the ones we've lost. Let us rise up and say, enough's enough. Let's show Ontario and Canada, the world, that we're stronger than we believe. So vote for Gooch Golo 2024, because even we can make a change. Miigwech for listening. Let's walk this path together with hope, determination, and unity. Yo-ho. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you guys again later. Thank you.